what I'm saying. But what are you taking? So this is his penis.
Okay.
I'm looking in between his legs, but this is the umbilical cord. So
Yeah.
that was the other thing that I was going to do. Just check the blood flow through the umbilical cord. Yeah?
Yeah.
And that's also very good.
Oh, thank goodness. Thank God.
Okay. So
Can we see his face again?
Okay.
Mama, let's...
I've got space on my camera.
You come back to that. Let's proceed.
Here, yeah, I'm finished. I don't need anything else.
Where's the lips?
But she needs to
It's
see.
facing up now.
He's facing up. I'm recording.
Yeah? You happy?
I can't see his lips.
You can't see his lips. All right.
She wants to see it like the other time.
Yeah.
Okay, I can do that. There you go.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So
Oh.
that's one eye. That's the other eye here.
Yeah.
That's the nose.
Yeah.
And these are his lips.
Gorgeous.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Very good. Kiss, kiss.
Kiss, kiss.
Okay. Happy to go?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.